Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Monday the 16th of February and I ended up taking one trade today, a losing trade. I only lost $70 though. I'll walk you guys through the trade I took and what my bias was for the day. So today was bank holiday, so I de-risked and was very cautious and wasn't really expecting to take a trade. But just since we had this accumulation here and this drop lower, I was looking for some longs, and we also had this internal liquidity here, which here at open we just shop and then we go down. So I thought we could get some nice longs. However, by how price was moving here, I kind of just stepped away from the charts and didn't put too much focus on it because we were making a lot of weird moves and no volatility really, and those are the bank holidays you want to stay out of. But then we come down here at what time? 9. Okay, so it's for the macro as well time. And we tap this previous day 10 a.m. This volume imbalance 705, and we tap a 4-hour rejection block. And I was just not watching the charts actively at this time. I was kind of looking at YouTube and stuff because I had kind of ruled this day out by this time, which was my mistake and bad decision. Since I had a nice zone here, I should have just kept watching to see what will happen. And we got a very nice rejection here. First we get this fake out move and then we get a resweep right there, create a 2-minute rejection block. So the entry then would be here. Once we just close like that, you want to enter. So you would enter right there. Whoops. And have your stop loss at that low. So that's the entry I would have had. Also got a 3-minute close, creating a 3-minute rejection block. And then this would have been my target, so I would nice 1 to 5 RR, which would have hit. However, like I said, was not actively looking at the chart, so when I looked at the chart again and opened them, I think we were like right here. So like most of the move had already been played out, and I got a little bit upset that I missed this, and because it was a nice trade, but I missed it. So I didn't take that one, even though this was the best trade on the day in my opinion. So down here we tap this 15-minute RB, or this 15-minute Ferrari gap I mean, and we create a nice 15-minute rejection block. So here comes another quite nice entry. We also tap this new week opening gap. Let me go into the 5-minute to see, because we also had SMT with this 5-minute gap. ES made equal highs, so SMT right there. And we create this 15-minute. If you can see here 10 a.m. This is the 10 a.m. candle, no manipulation lower. So you can expect us that this is manipulation up, and then we want to go lower, which we come up. We create a nice 5-minute rejection block, which we don't tap again. And then yeah, this nice 15-minute rejection block, which also lines up with 10 a.m. right there, which it doesn't align with the fib. Or yeah, this range. This range is rebalanced, so then we have this range. So it aligns perfectly with 7.5 of this current range, and we also have a 1-minute Ferrari gap right there. So this is honestly a very good trade as well, but I faded it because I wasn't that confident in draw lower, to be honest, and I saw it in hindsight. So at this point I faded 2 TP trades, and then I take this long, which was my losing trade. We have a nice 30-minute rejection block here. Nice 30-minute rejection block. We have a 3-minute Ferrari gap, and in the 2-minute here we have this candle without candle, which I want to get swept. I wanted to see it swept before entry, and also a 2-minute Ferrari gap. This also lines up with the fib, of this range because my draw was still higher because I saw this as a bullish AMD. So I wanted to see us come down, reject here, and then continue up. So yeah, we tap this, sweep this, and then once we get this good 1 minute close here, so we first fake out, boom, re-sweep, tap the CE here, tap 705 and the Ferrelli gap, and I enter once we get that close. So I got entry like right there, stop loss at the low, and then target right here. Good RR. However, I just got stopped out. I entered right there, little bit of was a little bit of profit, and then just gone down. So it sucks that I faded or wasn't on the chart actively while this one came. I faded this one, or like wasn't too focused on it, and then I take a losing trade. So the two trades I don't take, which are there, I goes TP, and the one I take, which is in my opinion good as well, just wrong doll, that one goes SL. So not a good way to start the week. It's been very, very bad recently for me, not been going good at all. Lost very little. I'm gonna have to size up now and risk at least like 150 to 200 each trade, and yeah, I can't risk little like I have been recently. Today was bank holiday though. Like Friday I took a trailed SL win, and loss, win, loss. As you can see, I've been just basically losing very much, and I don't know what's happening to us. To be honest, like it kind of seems like I can't do anything right. Like the trades I choose to take, they go SL. The trades I don't choose to take go TP, and I don't know. I honestly don't know what's going on. So I'll just have to try to figure that out and try to trade better, I guess. So I hope to catch some TP trades this week. Otherwise, this account will be blown. Let's see how much drawdown I have left. Okay. I have around $500 left of drawdown on this. I didn't take anything on the alpha account today. Yeah, that one is a lot better. I have like 500 balance, and I think I'm like 1.4k away from drawdown or something like that. That one's alright. But yeah, just have to focus on taking better trades and actually starting to trade well, because I can't seem to take TP trades for some reason right now. Don't know why. But yeah, that was the trade recap for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.